Hey folks, how you doing? Hopefully you're all having a great day today. I am really excited to announce the fourth quarter giveaway, the end of 2020 giveaway. We're giving away 2 items to 1 person. And this is going to be really cool because it's a really unique and really nice setup. So my friends at Leather by Dragonfly have offered to include a completely custom, full high quality leather apron. And I mean, when I mean custom, I mean completely custom. If you want your square right there, you draw over it on a canvas apron that they send you. And when they get the canvas apron, that's exactly where they put the holder for your square. So you get to be completely customizable with everything that you put on your specific apron that is sized to your body and your needs. Really custom, really, really awesome quality craftsmanship. And I just love what they're doing. I'm not making anything off of working with them or anything. It's just a small business that I really stand behind, and I have personally purchased my leather apron from them. So I really like what they're doing. Another small business, thumbs up. So not only will you get a really awesome apron, but you'll also get this particular workbench. This is a Hickory Workbench. It's a traditional French design where the legs are through mortise and tenon through the tabletop. It has a tool well on this side, opposite of the leg vise. It does have a leg vise over there that utilizes the wedge system to tighten up. So basically you tighten the leg vise until your chop up here touches the material. As soon as it touches, you kick the wedge forward to stop the racking on the bottom side and just give it a little bit of more of a tighten. And it's incredibly fast and an intuitive system for the leg vise. Tremendous amount of clamping pressure, and that's built to last you forever. It'll never fail. It shouldn't ever fail. It's the heavy duty system for clamping. Also on the workbench is a series of dog holes all the way along each edge of the workbench, and I'll include one of those, I forget the name of it. It's a Veritas Bench Dog that has a screw in it so we can clamp horizontally in between dogs. That's going to come with it as well. And the tool well on this side has a gap in between it and the workbench. So if you are a primarily hand tool woodworker and you want to keep your saws handy and nearby, the gap in between serves to hold your saws, and it goes the entire length, so you can put your saws anywhere along here. Now you can use it for chisels as well, but you'll have to build some type of divider system because as it is right now, the chisels, there's nothing to stop them from falling over unless you put it near one of these dividers, but it can still fall the other way. Anyway, really nice workbench. There is a shelf down below. The shelf on bottom is curly ash. The tool well on this side is curly hickory, and the rest of the workbench is just regular hickory. It is, let's get some dimensions for you. The working surface, front to back, is 20.5 inches of the solid material. If you use the front lip of the tool well, you got 21.5 inches, and then total front to back is 28.25-ish front to back. It is approximately 72.75 of an inch long, and it is 34.25 inches high off the ground. Now that's sitting on the floor. It also has the retractable casters down below, so if you need to move it, you can pull these down and lift up each side very easily to put it on the casters to roll it around. So it's a pretty cool little setup. I made this in my last shop where I was crammed for space, and I downsized from a 4-foot by 8-foot assembly table to get a second work surface in here that was a little bit smaller. Moving into this particular shop, I have much more space, so I went back to a 4-foot by 8-foot assembly table, and this one has literally been a shelf since I moved into the shop, and this deserves much more use than a simple shelf. So that's it for the giveaway. Here's the only catch. It's open to anybody, but it's pickup only. So I'm not going to deal with shipping this thing. I want to provide a gift that someone's going to cherish and someone's going to use. And if I say that it's pickup only, well then hopefully the people who will actually truly put it to use and use it will enter the giveaway. So if you want to schedule somebody else to come pick it up from here, that's totally fine, but it is a pickup only giveaway. Anybody can enter to win. I don't care about that. Yeah, that's it. It's a really cool setup that hopefully somebody can use. And hopefully I can make someone's day. Speaking of making someone's day, the giveaway will end on midnight Central Time, not New Year's, Christmas Eve. So that Christmas Day, Christmas morning, I can export all the entries, use random number in Google, random number generator, to randomly select somebody and shoot them an email and say, hey, Merry Christmas, you won some stuff. That's going to be really cool. So that's it. There's links down in the description to the giveaway. There's a link down in the description to the sales page, which no purchase necessary, to check out the custom leather apron options for leather by Dragonfly. There's also links to all of the videos and articles that I've done on this particular workbench. So that's it. You guys take care. Have a great day. Good luck. And I'll talk to you in the next video.